Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel of Castaway Trader, and this is my website www.castawaytrader.com, and we are looking at the homepage of my website. If you click market analysis, you will get access to free charts. If you click subscription, you will get access to premium charts available for my subscribers. If you click education, you will know about my video course and different options to subscribe to it. And if you decide to subscribe to get an access to premium charts, just click subscribe now and you will be able to choose any plan starting from only $24.99 a month. Today's video is called Bears Never Come Alone, and that video will be about Nasdaq. Before we start, please read that important disclaimer. Okay, I start my video course telling people about the basic ABC fractal. As you can see, if we click section 2, you can see that I tell them about ABC up fractal and ABC down fractal. Let me show how they look. This is ABC up fractal, and this is the main building block of more complex patterns, and in a second you will see why I'm showing it to you, because this is a crucial point in the whole harmonic Elliott wave theory, and if you understand that basic fractal, that will tremendously improve your trading. And again, just be patient and I will explain you why. So that fractal basically shows that price never travels in a straight line. Bulls first attack and then we get to the exhaustion point, and this is the place where no more bulls are prepared to pay such a high price, and price get reversed and bears counterattack and they react to the first move up by bulls. And as you can see, this is a crucial point where both bulls and bears understand that bears are actually weaker because they failed to make a lower low. So that starting point of the first actionary move up becomes the critical support for the whole fractal. And once bears here give up and bulls start attacking again, so that part of the move is called resolution, because it results the whole action and reaction, preceding action and reaction, preceding waves A up, B down, and the final wave C up, which is resolution. And the very same fractal we have for the down direction. Bears attack, this is the first move action. Bulls try to counterattack, but we fail to make a higher high. And finally, bears attack again. They are inspired because bulls failed, and they drive price to a new lower low. This is how trends are built, because trends are just sequences of either higher highs and higher lows, if you talk about uptrend, or a sequence of lower lows and lower highs if you talk about downtrend. Now let's come back to the most important fractal for the harmonic Elliott wave theory, which is 5-wave fractal. And you can see here those ABCs all over the place. This is A up, B down, C up, wave 1, A down, B up, C down, wave 2, A up, B down, C up, wave 3, A down, B up, C down, wave 4, A up, B down, C up, wave 5. And in addition to that, we have waves B in between, A down, B up, and C down. Now let's get it more relevant to you. Let's align that fractal to Nasdaq. We started that rally in 2009, it topped in September 2018, it dropped to December 2018 low, and that was wave 4, and of that low made in December 2018, we got a nice looking impulsive rally, which has to be counted as wave A of 5. And Nasdaq topped in that wave on 24th of April 2019. Let me show it to you. This is the bottom made in December, ABC of 1, ABC of 2, A up, B down, C up, wave 3, then A up, A down, B up, and C down of wave 4, and finally A up, which retests the previous top made by wave 3 up, B down, and the final move up in C of 5. And together those 5 waves comprise a larger wave, parenthesis A, of parenthesis 5. Again, coming back, so we have just seen the microstructure of that move. So once we top here, we should expect A down, B up, and C down, which itself would be a corrective large wave, parenthesis B down, which is a reaction to the first action in that ABC fractal, which is why I showed you those ABCs. But what's really important is that wave, parenthesis B down, almost never is a straight line. Most likely it will be shaped as A down, corrective move B up, and a stronger move down in C down of parenthesis B down. Let me show what I mean. This is a corrective structure called regular flat, and you can see it has 3 legs, A down, B up, and C down, and you can see that leg A down is subdivided into 3 waves, so itself it's ABC structure, which is followed by another ABC structure, a reaction to the first drop. And in my opinion, we have just completed that first leg down structured as ABC. Let me show you how it looks. We see the top made on 24th of April, ABC, this is wave A, B up, and 5 microwaves down, which is a parenthesis C, and together they comprise A, B, and C. A, B, and C. This is the first leg down, and from here we should get a corrective looking rally structured as A, B, C up. And that wave B up may be pretty deep. It may go all the way up to the recent high made in April, or sometimes it can even make a little bit higher high just to make all those traders suffer, because bulls would believe that that's a breakout and they will be punished by another strong decline, and bears will be punished because we will have to cover the shorts because they will put their stops at the level of the previous stop. Now let's talk about that wave B up. Again, my idea is that we have just completed that first leg down in wave A down, and we should be expecting that B up. This is how I can envision that. So today we started that small A up, so tomorrow we can get a pullback and B down, and from here we should get the final wave C up. And it's very difficult actually to tell you where it can get terminated. So to do that, what we normally do is we measure the first move down in wave A down, and we put retracement ratios. And most likely it can stop at 50% retracement, 61.8, 76.4, 85.4, but sometimes it can go all the way up to the recent high. So it's tricky. What we know actually is that wave C of B has to be subdivided as a impulsive wave. So we will be counting microwaves on the way up. But my point is that first we completed that move down in wave A, and now we need a relatively big pullback up in wave B up before we can get another drop. And yes or no, I do not think that we have completed the whole corrective move down after 4 full months of rally of December 2018 lows. Again, this is how we have that rally that started from 20th of December until 20th of April, so it took 4 months. And when you have 5-wave up, you have the following rule of thumbs. First, price targets 23.6% retracement of the whole rally. And when you have a drop to 23.6% retracement, normally it's only the first leg down in subwave A of corrective wave, in this case B down. And the real target for that B down, for the final leg down in subwave C of B, is normally located somewhere in between 44% and 50%, or at least 33% of that rally. And 33% actually makes a lot of sense, because the main target for any corrective wave after completion of 5 waves up is the low of the preceding wave 4 of a lower degree, which is here, which is almost located at that level. So when we measure that drop in wave A and we put like a potential objective for wave B as the recent high, so that wave C should be longer than wave A. It should be either 123.6% of wave A projected from this level of a potential top for wave B up, or 176.4%, and that gives us that target. So in my opinion, the most likely target for the second leg down would be something around 83.50, which is a nice confluence of three methods. We are talking about the level where the previous wave 4 bottomed, we are talking about 33.3% retracement, and we are talking about a potential extension for the final subwave C of a corrective wave B, if wave B manages to stretch that high. So please visit castawaytrader.com education, where you can read the whole syllabus of the course, where you can read reviews of the course, and you can make a choice if you really want to learn that method. And please like that video below if you want me to keep recording more videos and share my tips and my rules of thumb with you. Thank you for watching it. Have a good night.